Okay, I am at True Value. I have to get just a few things. Okay, so why do we need those garbage cans?
To store food for ducks and chickens.
Ducks and chickens, and maybe some rabbits and some potting soil. In other words, we're trying to make it so it's not such a mess in the garage, huh? I've seen that have done the Warren system before have had them on bare soil, and it seems like they have a real parasite problem. But you guys, this is beautiful.
Yeah, we keep layers, and then we'll take that freshener about every 2 weeks, put a layer of freshener down, put another layer of hay, and then about every 3 months change it all out. And what they've done, they won't dig out and leave, but they've got a big hole underneath there, and they've got tunnels all underneath here, and they thrive. I mean, they love it.
They're beautiful.
What I would do a little bit different next time is I would put wire underneath, not let them dig, and put a mound of dirt in the middle and let them, because they like to dig.
Yeah.
And that would be a whole lot better than just going in the ground and just
spreading out.
Yeah, because we never see the babies until they're about like that.
Until they pop up.
They pop out of the ground.
And you're feeding them. It looks like you're just feeding them regular pellets, and I'm sure they munch on the hay. Are you feeding them anything else?
Alfalfa. We give them alfalfa pretty much every day, and just the big B pellets for rabbits.
Okay.
And, lots of water. Like I said, we leave the gate open every once in a while. They'll get out. They'll go around here a couple times when they're trying to get back in. They won't run away.
They know where home is.
Yeah, so they're pretty good rabbits.
Have you seen any sign of parasite problems when you butchered them?
No. We've got one buck. We put him over there last night because the other bucks were
beating on him.
So we've got 3 or 4 bucks over there in that pen, and the rest of them all right here.
Oh yeah, we'll have to show you the babies.
Yeah,
So you just want good
they'll come back.
Okay. Well, let me just think on what we.
They never fused anything.
Well, and if John's work actually turns out to be here local. Here is the newest addition to our family. We have one little baby bunny. Hi, little baby bunny.
He's mine, Puppy. I named him Puppy.
We have him in here because it's really cold outside. The big does are outside and they're fine. That's not actually poop. That's where he spilled his water and then his food, and then it's soaked up. So he is in here enjoying his time.
And I'm petting him from time to time.
Yeah.
If he scratches at the bottom to get out.
The reason why I call him Puppy is that way I can have a rabbit and a puppy at the same time.
Gotcha. Okay, back to school. Maps and spelling forward.
Lean forward home.
Forward home. So it's time to transition mamas and babies away from each other. They're getting big enough that they don't need to nurse anymore. Yeah, I'll stand here. The goats are the most helpful part. They are eternally helpful. as they eat our new bushes. Do you need to go out in the back pasture, little one?
They both have them.
Huh? Okay, go slowly and gently so she doesn't know you want her.
The babies
Okay.
or just eating those babies.
You babies are so helpful. Okay, come on to the cage. So we're moving Mama to a smaller cage. And we're gonna save the one that she was in. We're gonna save the one that she was in for, here. Do you want to get one or two of her babies out so they can still nurse? That would be a good idea because I saw that she's still got milk teats. This cage, as our grow out cage, because they're at 5-6 weeks. Because we have all the babies in the pen. We have some new babies that are in other pens. They're not ready to leave their mom. We like to have them come out at about 5 or 6 weeks. If they're still nursing a lot, we like to leave one baby in.
Or two. One or two.
One or two. So did you leave some in with
Yeah.
Okay.
But
So one
not
or
with
two,
these.
and those guys will get a lot bigger than the others, and they'll keep her from getting mastitis. This next week, Fahrenheit, Paige came out and forgot to give water to one of the bunnies. Let's see if she forgot the other one. And she forgot to give water to these bunnies. So I need to give them some hay. And give them alive. Holy cow, I don't know how that's possible. I don't know if they climb up in the night or just like I give them all this hay and fluff it up. I have to fluff it because if I don't fluff it up, they can't get up and through it. So I've covered them all back up. I'm going to give everybody some